the channel. Today we'll be talking about minimalism and why I wear this black t-shirt every single day. So why do I do that? Why do I wear the single t-shirt every single day? So this idea came to me while I was reading the book Think Like a Monk by Jay Shetty, in which he was describing how monks live and how they go about their clothes on a daily basis. In the book he mentioned that the monks were only allowed to have two robes, one to wear and one to wash. And that blew my mind, and I thought that I took that in terms of a system. So I love systems, I'm a huge fan of systems. This could become my system for clothing, and I really love the idea. So I used to wear this black t-shirt along with some grey t-shirts as well, but I really like this shirt, this specific color, this specific brand fit. I really liked it, and I always wanted to wear this single piece of shirt. And what I did was I ordered two more of the same size, same color, same fit. And now what I do is I wear one and I wash one, just like Jay Shetty mentioned in the book, Think Like a Monk. And it did simplify my life. I knew the benefits of having a simple or a minimal wardrobe because I used to do that earlier as well. I had a very simple basic wardrobe, and they were primarily grey and black t-shirts that I really love to wear. Now, by simplifying this even further, what I realized is that I really enjoyed the process also, because it helped me clear out other things and clear out other things in terms of the things that I don't really enjoy, or maybe spending a lot of time choosing what I'm going to wear or whatever it is. And it made a system, it created a system for me, and I knew what I have to do. It just streamlined the entire day for me, and I had no doubt that this might not work, or I knew that this is going to work because it has been working for the monks for such a long time, such a long period. I definitely knew that this was going to work. So why do I have three t-shirts? One is to wear, one is to wash, and one is just in case it rains, or just in case it didn't dry well, or it was dirty. So for any number of reasons. And I think this also brought a lot of discipline in my behavior as well. So for example, if I don't have a proper dry clean t-shirt, I would not be able to wear it. So I can't go roam around shirtless in the city. So it brought some kind of discipline into me, and I was more mindful about the daily routine or the daily ritual of cleaning my t-shirt every single day. And once I did this, I realized that this is something really nice, and I got the freedom and I got the control of my life. So nowadays people feel, okay, this is something that the society has accustomed us to wear something like this, or behave in a certain way, talk in a certain way, dress in a certain way. But once we, so something very small like this, just wearing a single t-shirt, the same t-shirt every single day could have a marginal impact on other things as well. So once you realize that, okay, this is something that I control, and this is something that I've taken control, I'm being more mindful about one single thing, then we can translate this into other areas, our food, people we hang out with, and nobody is going to judge you for wearing a single t-shirt or the same t-shirt every single day. Maybe some people would notice and ask you out of curiosity, or maybe by any chance, if they ask you, just simply explain them why you're doing this, and maybe you inspire someone else and to do something similar and take control or take back control of their life. So that's really nice. It's a good feeling to have the entire or the full freedom of owning your life. I hand wash my clothes because I want to reduce my carbon footprint, but that's fine. If you don't want to wash every single day, that's alright. But this is something that I do, and I really enjoy doing it. The idea of making the video is to make people aware that we should not always operate on the defaults that are set by society. We should take control. We should be mindful of what we're doing, be it anything, be it your clothing, food, people you're hanging out with, the things that you're watching, anything. The idea here is to understand the freedom that you can get once you take control of your life. I've been meaning to talk about this topic from a very long time, and honestly, I think these are the kind of things that I would really want to talk about, understand more. So I hope you found it useful. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next. Bye.